In a land of fruits on a sunny day, a group of kids met ready to play. Grab their baskets, set off in glee, on a fruit-themed picnic, what a spree. Bananas on their bikes, so speedy and slick, pedaling through fields quick like a flick. Mangoes on hoverboards, zipping through the air, tasting the freedom without a single care. Juicy peaches, so sweet and divine,